What is a surface? A surface is a flat or curved area that has length and width, but no thickness. This is the definition of surface. Let's write down it. So this is the definition. A surface is a flat or curved area that has length and width, but no thickness. For example, the top of a table or a wall or a blackboard or whiteboard. These are the examples of surface. Let's see how to draw a surface. Suppose this is a book. So if it is a book, this part will be a surface. That means the top of the book is a surface. For example, here you can see a book in my hand, and this part is called surface. Now, let's learn about the classification of surface. There are mainly two types of surface: plain surface and curved surface. Here you can see a piece of paper in my hand. And this is an example of a plain sheet. The page or the top of the paper is called a plain surface. And here you can see something which is not plain. It is a little bit round shape. It looks like round shaped, and the surface of this box is an example of curved surface. Or we can say the top of a football is an example of curved surface. So here you can see there are two types of surface: plain surface. The example is a sheet of a paper or the page of a book can be the example of plain surface. And the next is curved surface. The example is the surface of a ball. This is an example of curved surface. Let's learn about the properties of surface. So these are the properties of a surface. Number one, a surface has length and width. Number two, it has no thickness. And number three, it can be extended endlessly in all directions. So that's all about surface. I hope you have understood the main ideas of surface. That means the definition, examples, how to draw a surface, and the properties of a surface. So that's all for now. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.